My partner and I love these jar masala spices. We have this chili powder, and we also have this tikka masala that we use all the time. And tonight I'm cooking some tofu, and we have some rice and snap peas. I've already put some chili powder on that because I like it a little bit spicy. So what I like to do is I like to just take a scoopful, like that, with these cute little spoons here, and just kind of sprinkle it over the tofu. And I like to stir it around to make sure that all of the cubes get it. And then same with the tikka masala here. So take about this much. It smells so good. I wish that you could smell it through the video. And then I just tend to flip the tofu and kind of mix it as we go. Some of it's sticking to the bottom, but that's totally okay. Really crispy. And then once you get the texture that you're looking for and the coating that you're looking for, I think this looks pretty good. I'll call that done and then put it in my rice dish. And that's how we like to cook our tofu, with these jar masala spices here.